Hey folks, Ash from Droning On, and guess what? Yes, there's been another Mini 2 leak courtesy of Best Buy with this guy here. His channel is called Roly Lerma, and you can scroll through and see that he's bought one from Best Buy. It's got the distinctive red coloured props. He takes it out of the box. He actually compares it to a Spark as well at some point. There you can see it. Now obviously nobody's really going to be able to fly this with any app because in the app the Mini 2 is not there yet, not until release day. So it might be possible to fly some of these directly with the transmitter on its own, but there's no guarantee. But Best Buy has really screwed up here. I mean, I don't really know whether this is orchestrated or not, but certainly it's the case that Best Buy have let the cat out of the bag. Is that the saying? Long before there's meant to be an actual release. Now I think the launch event will be coming probably or announced this week or next week. What DJI are thinking right now, if these leaks are not actually orchestrated, is beyond me. Maybe some of these retailers like Best Buy don't see much of a future selling DJI products or with the relationship with DJI in the future, with the tensions between the USA and China. Maybe they're just going out on a limb and doing anything they can to push and promote more sales. Lots of retail industries are failing right now because of COVID and the lockdowns. Maybe Best Buy are desperate. And by doing this, they know that everybody's going to rush to Best Buy, try and buy a Mini 2, probably end up buying one for some of them, like this guy. And if they can't, then maybe they'll buy something else. But this flurry of people buying the product before it's out, we've never seen this before. This really is a new phenomenon. Anyway, I'm sure there'll be more leaks tomorrow. Cheers, folks.